Hello guys, today I'll teach you to make money on binary options with one simple strategy based on ATR indicator. So, this strategy will help you to read the market and understand where the price will go in exact moment of time, for real. So, before we get started, let's apply one indicator. To do that, we go to Indicators panel and apply Average True Range Indicator. This exact one. Yeah. ATR is a technical indicator measuring the volatility of the asset's price on the market. Now, let's figure out how it works. So, on indicator we see one line. If it goes up, it means volatility on the market is increasing. If it goes down, then it means the volatility on the market is decreasing. But if it goes down, if you're using only this indicator in trading, you cannot find perfect entry points. This is why it's important to know the strategy based on trading and levels. There are only two levels. Higher one is the resistance level and lower level is the support one. Well, our goal is to find out what will happen when we reach this level. Breakthrough occurs or rollback occurs. Let's watch this situation. We see the price had reached the resistance level and the rollback happened. And how we could understand that? Well, easy. We could see ATR indicator and see the volatility on the market was falling or decreasing as the line on indicator is moving down. If volatility is falling on the market, it means the market has not enough force to break that level through, and either a retracing movement or a rolling back movement like it started. In this case, a rollback happened. Another thing, guys, right here, the price reached resistance level at this point, but this time it broke it through. Yes, it is a false breakthrough, but the fact that the price went higher matters. And let's see ATR indicator. By reaching it, this level ATR was growing. Let's also watch examples with support level. As we see in this moment, the price had reached resistance level. And let's watch ATR, and as we see by reaching this level, ATR was falling down. So, what does it mean? It means that the market has not enough strength to break this level through, and a rollback can pretty much happen, and as we see, the rollback indeed happened here. And also a breakthrough example. Let's see this thing. As we see, in this case, the price broke the level of support through, and if we watch ATR, we can see it's been growing. This is why the level was broken through here, by the way. Now let's move to trading and analyze concrete examples. So I found the first case. Let me open a deal with higher for 1 minute. So right here, I see the price reached resistance zone. Beside that, while reaching this level, I see ATR is falling. It means a rollback, upward movement is going to happen from this level. This is how we're opening deals on this principle. By the way, look at this awesome movement we've caught. The price even reached resistance zone. And this is indeed a great result, and I think this deal will be 100% close on a profit. So we've got a profit, as I've told you. I open a deal with higher for 1 minute. In this case, I see the price reached support zone. Beside that, while reaching this area, I see ATR was falling. And it means a rolling back movement will be proceeding from this level. By the way, this movement has already been started, you can see. And the buyer was making candles with big shadows at the bottom and small bodies. It also means there is a strong buyer who will be pushing the price up. And watch this confident movement, guys! I think this deal is going to be closed in a confident profit. The deal is closed in a profit, we go on. So, I open a deal with lower for 1 minute. In this case, I see the price can reach the resistance zone, but as we were reaching this level, ATR was falling. It means a rolling back movement will be happening from this level. As confirmation factors, I can point out there are lots of rolling back movements from this level, which is confirming the force of this level. Okay guys, let me share an advice with you. Before you open your deals, please always consider secondary factors which can confirm your entry point. Both levels and candles can be included, and also the history where you can see how the indicator was working out before. Our deal is closed in a profit. We go on. So guys, I open a deal with lower for 1 minute. In this case, we see the price has reached resistance zone. Meanwhile, when reaching this area, we've seen that ADR been falling strongly. It means the price will go lower, making a rolling back movement from this level. As a secondary factor, I can point out candles with big shadow at the top and small body. It also means the seller is strong. And also lots of rolling back movements from this level confirming the force of this level. Our deal is closed in a profit. Great. So I found another great case to enter. I open a deal with higher. In this case, the price reached support level. While it was reaching it, ATR was falling. This is why a rolling back movement is supposed to happen from this level. Besides, we've also seen lots of reactions from this level, confirming the force of this level. The second advice for you is considering your risks, guys. As sooner or later you get a losing deal, and you should be prepared for that in advance, so you can open a cover or stop trading. So the deal is closed at a loss, but it's fine. Let me double the bet amount and open the cover, as I don't see ATR growing a lot. This is why I still think that a rollback will happen from this level, yes, as considering ATR indicators, the market has not enough force to break this level through now. Here's another advice for you guys. Please do not open a cover if you see that ATR is changing its direction or it starts to. In such cases, it's better to switch to another currency pair or stop trading for some time. So what is confident movement happening right now? This deal will be closed in a profit, obviously. But we're confidently closed in a profit. Let's open another deal, and after that, we'll summarize results. So there is a case to enter. I open a deal with higher. In this case, the price is near resistance zone. Besides that, when reaching this level, ATR was growing. It means the level will be likely broken through. Besides that, watch how great impulsive candles the buyer was making. It confirms the force of the buyer will be trying to go higher. And if we check the history of the chart, we'll see a great uptrend when each maximum's been getting higher than the previous one. It also confirms my entry point. As we see, the level has already been updated. We've caught a great movement, and I think we'll get a profit from this deal. The deal is closed at a profit, and let's summarize now. Thanks to this simple strategy, simple, we managed to make deposit 4 times bigger. This is pretty much good result, isn't it? By the way, today in my Telegram channel, I'll run a free trading session where each of you can copy my deals and earn together with me. So if you want to get real profits, then the link to my Telegram channel is in the description. You know what to do. Now let's move to my favorite part, guys, withdrawal. So to do that, we open finance panel, choose withdrawal, then fill in the sum of withdrawal. For me, it's $800. Then let's fill in the address of withdrawal and the confirmation code. Our application request has been sent. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I wish you really huge profits, and bye bye.